A Solitaire cache achievement that stays locked after you complete the requirement usually means the app has not registered the qualifying action correctly. By the end, you'll know what to check when an achievement refuses to unlock and what information to save before contacting support. First, open the achievement and read its exact requirement. The action shown in the achievement description is what matters, so completing a similar task may not count. Check whether the requirement involves a particular game, result, tournament, or other activity. If you have already completed the requirement, return to the Solitaire cache main screen and reopen the achievement. This can refresh the status shown by the app. Next, check your internet connection. Solitaire cache needs to communicate with its servers for account and game information. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If your connection is unstable, then completely close Solitaire cache and reopen it. The next step is checking for an app update. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Solitaire cache. If an update is available, install it, then restart the app and check the achievement again. Also verify that you are using the correct Solitaire cache account. If you have used different login methods, make sure the account currently open is the one where the achievement progress was earned. Progress attached to another account may not appear on the account you are currently using. If the achievement is still locked, avoid repeating the same action over and over before checking the details. Instead, take screenshots of the achievement requirement, your current progress, and the game or activity that should have counted toward it. Those screenshots are useful if you need to contact Solitaire cache support. Tell support the exact achievement name, explain what requirement you completed, and provide the screenshots. If the achievement shows progress but does not unlock, include that information because it can help distinguish a tracking problem from an eligibility issue. There is also one simple check before contacting support. Reopen the achievement after completing another qualifying action. If the status updates afterward, the issue was likely a delayed progress update rather than a permanently missing achievement. So the main fixes are to verify the exact requirement, refresh Solitaire cache, check your connection, update the app, and confirm the correct account. If the achievement still won't unlock, document the issue and contact support with the relevant details. Your next step is to screenshot the locked achievement and its requirement before doing anything else. If this fixed your Solitaire cache achievement problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.